Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Viv, and today I want to show you this beautiful prize I received from Pleta or Statex from Bulgaria. Some times ago I won one of Avarus Crochet giveaways. Thank you, Mira. Thank you so much. And I received this yarn 1 or 2 weeks ago, I know, but now it's time to show you this beautiful yarn. I will put the link to Mira's Instagram and Facebook in the description box below. She is a wonderful crochet pattern designer. She's very beautiful, I can tell you. And she is amazing. She's so kind. It's wonderful. Okay, let's see. Okay, so what we have here, it's souffle. Let's see, it calls for 3 or 3.5 knitting needles or 1 to 3 crochet hook. We are going to see. I have a 3 crochet hook, 2.5 millimeters and 3.5. I will see. Okay, let's see. This is the company. It's Statex Limited from Bulgaria. Thank you, Stenliyarn.com. Okay, and this yarn is 85% cotton and 50% polyester. It's 900 meters and 280 grams. Okay, let's see. So you can wash it at 30 degrees. Okay, let's see. I can tell you that it's soft. I love the shade. It's something bluish, indigo or something. This is cream and green. I love it. Okay, and let's see if I can. Yes, so this is the yarn. This is from the inside, and this part is from the outside. See, it's very beautiful. And let's try it. Let's see. I have another yarn here. Okay, so let's see. So they call for 1 to 3 crochet hook, millimeters crochet hook. Let's try with, let me see, 2.5, and let's see how it works. Let's see. Yeah, I like it. It's very beautiful and it works wonderful. Let's see. Yeah, I like it. And I like green. So thank you again. So guys, enter giveaways, and who knows, I already won this year 2 giveaways. One from Avarus Crochet. Thank you, Anno, and Happy New Year. And this one from Avarus Crochet. I mean the giveaways for yarn, but I won other giveaways for patterns from Stenliyarn Crochet. I hope you know Stenliyarn Jen. It's an amazing designer and she's so wonderful. Happy New Year, Jen. Okay, yes, I think I like this yarn. Okay, so now I know maybe I will order more. Yeah. Let's try now from, let's see. Okay, I think it's a great yarn for beach summer, cover beach summer something. Yeah. Okay, and last, let's try this from outside. Let's see. Yeah, it's very thin, but I like it. Yeah, it's beautiful. And because it has polyester, I think you can wade in the water. Maybe I will make some tops or bralettes from this. Let me see, they don't say, but I think it's a fine yarn, or I'm not sure, but it's very thin. Yeah. So guys, thank you again for being here this year, and I hope you like this video. Thank you again, Avarus Crochet, Mira. I wish you a happy new year. And thank you, Stanley. And thank you all for being here. Please don't forget to subscribe. And I wish you all happy new year. And be safe. Love you all. Thank you for everything. Bye.